And welcome back to another lab video. This one we will be going through the activity which asked us to create a program to display a month based on the user inputting a number between 1 and 12. So, new project, what month? Let's get into it. So, as usual, I'll just leave that down for a little bit. So let's define our integer. So this is month. Seems like a plan. And we're going to collect a string which is going to be our input. Alright. So we want to... There's a lot of garbage there. So we want them to give them a prompt, and that prompt's going to be enter a number between 1 to 12. And then we're going to insert input, and that's going to be the console read line. Alright, so from there we want to pass that into the month. So that is integer pass. And what are we passing? We're passing input. So it's now a variable. Yep. So now we start the lovely switch, and it is going to be month. What the hell was that? Get your typing in line with your fingers. My God. Alright, so case 1 is going to be good old console, and we're going to write line, and let's do short format January, and break, and that's going to be case 2, and this is going to be a rinse and repeat. Alright, so 2 is Feb, 3 March, rinse and repeat. You get the idea. Why did I have to choose this as a thing to do? March, April, and rinse and repeat for the others. I think I'll use the magic of recording and hit the pause and be back when I finish doing the rest. And we're almost there. So case 12 is paste. December break. And let's put a default in there, which is again writing a line, but this time it is basically saying invalid month. If you've entered something in incorrectly, and we need a break out of that, and that should be the so that's our switch done. And let's put a console in there just to confirm that we have something spat out. And let's put a couple of lines in there as spaces. You entered which is we didn't spit that out. Yeah, good point. So really that's just gonna be input, not month. And put our pause in. Oh, that's supposed to be console. Right line. No, we're not writing a line. We're reading key. For our pause, that should be all done. So we have our 12 cases to come out with a month. Okay. Haven't put our comments in, but let's give it a run. So, number 9 is September. You entered 9. I do believe that is correct. Alright, so let's give it an invalid number, 22. Invalid month. So we have a error message. Alright, I think that's a valid solution for the activity of displaying the month. Now you can go in and add your comments as you wish. I'm thinking as it's 10 minutes, this little short one is sufficient for the day. So, thank you for joining us. Until next time, bye for now.